Hello there. So this is Eddie. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how simple and easy it is to use EnglishScore. Okay, so sorry about the quality of the video because I'm recording on my cell phone because I want to show you how it's done. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm going to share my screen real quick. Okay, so first what you have to do is you'll have to download the app. It's called EnglishScore. Okay, so this app right here. So I'm gonna open that up, and so you can download it in the App Store or on the Google Play Store. Okay, so this is the screen what it looks like after I've already set it up. Okay, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and log out. And so when you first download it, you're gonna get this screen right here. Okay, so what you can do is you can very simply just swipe through this real quick. Okay. Okay, and so you're going to get this screen right here, where it says "Get started, have an account." Okay, so I already have an account, but let's say, for example, if you don't have an account, so you just click here where it says "Get started." Okay, and you can choose either um, Google, Facebook, or continue with email. Okay, easiest thing to do is if you have Facebook, just click Facebook. It connects right away. Okay, for those of you if you're in China. What you need to do is you need to download it. Apparently, you can only use an iPhone. Okay, so if you don't have an iPhone, um, find one. Okay, or maybe find a friend that can help you. Okay, maybe you can borrow their phone. Okay, but it's really really simple. But those China both an iPhone and uh, and Android. Okay, so let's say you click here where it says continue with email. Okay, then what happens is you want to have Google email. So what works? Use your university email. Okay, so let's say, for example, my name is Edward Bacon. So if I was a student here, I'm a teacher. So, but if I was a student, I would type this. So BACON.E and the year that you enrolled. So this be 6-5. So if you're a freshman this year, you'd be 6-5. Okay, type at rsu.ac.th. And password is you just type any password that you'd like to use. Okay. All right. And then you just click sign up. So very, very, very simple. And then what's going to happen is you'll get a message from you get a message from EnglishScore about your account. So after you click sign up, it's already been set up. Okay. However, I already have an account. I have an account and sign in with email. Okay. And I'll go here. So I actually what I did was I used my um thumb sign in. So I typed in the email address and then the password's already there. So sign in. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, so what you have three. Actually, you only have one option here. There's three options, but only one that's available to you. So what you need to do is you need to take the core skills test. So this is the grammar, vocabulary, reading, and listening. The speaking test and the writing test, those are optional tests you can pay for. But the free one, because of course everybody loves free, right? So this is where you can practice. Okay. Um, Practice for your English exit exam, or if you need this for ILE 125, ILE 126, ILE 127, and IRS 127, you're going to need this for your as part of the post test. So all you do, just click where it says start the test. Boom. Okay. And yeah, so this is for if you want to take the official test, you have the Connect code. Okay. So if you just want to practice, um, no Connect code, just click right here where it says not got a code. Okay, continue to the test. Okay, and real simple right here. And so this is it's a 30 to 40-minute test of your core skills of grammar and vocabulary, reading and listening, and then you just click OK. All right, so this is what you want to do is you want to turn the camera on. Okay, and so what they're going to do is they're going to make sure they have all of your face in the picture, because they're going to take random pictures of you throughout the test to verify that it's you taking the test throughout the exam. So you just click down here where it says next. Okay, and they're getting ready to set it up. All right, so this is the volume here. So you're going to hear something here. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it in the video, but yeah, can you hear the person speaking? I say yes. Okay, and this is explaining about the security. Okay, so they're using the front camera. So they're letting you know they're using AI technology. So you want to make sure you're during the test, you're looking right at the camera. Because if you look away like this, then the test will stop. Okay. Also, if someone walks behind you, the test will stop and you have to take it again. Okay. So, and then so this is in the end, like for example, if you want to take the official EnglishScore test, that's where you have to pay for it. You'll get a certificate here that will list your EnglishScore score and also your CFR score, anywhere from A1, A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, and then the second page has a bunch of the pictures during the test, and also it'll list your English proficiency. Okay, and it'll explain what that means. Okay, so you can use this actual certificate for job employment or entrance into some universities. Okay, this is what we use. Okay, so you just click OK. All right, so this is explaining about they need to see your whole face. Okay, so like right here. Okay, there we go. So there's my picture. Is your face clear and easy to see? Yes, it is. So just click yes. Okay, so these are the rules. You can't pause the test. You must be in a quiet place. You must do the test alone. Your face must be clear. And of course, do your best. So I agree. And then you're going to start the test. Okay, I agree. Okay. And that's all it is. You just start the test and you're good to go. So I don't believe you can't, because I'm recording this now. So I don't think you'll be able to record the actual test content. Let me see here. Part 1, grammar vocabulary. Okay. All right. Oh, okay. So maybe you guys can see it. Okay. So it's just multiple choice, very simple. Then after this, you have a reading section and also a listening section. So very simple. And at the very end, they're going to give you your results. So all you need to do, just take a screenshot of that and then send it to us. Okay. And for those of you that are completing the post test, first of all, for those of you just practicing, you don't need to send us anything. But if you need to take it for the post test for a class you're enrolled in, just take a screenshot and attach that to the Microsoft form. It's really simple. Okay, and if you have any questions, just contact me in Building 7, room 101. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, thank you very much, and I hope this was informative. And again, you have any questions, just come to Building 7, room 101. Okay, great. Okay, well, thank you.